Burping contest part 2. Let's go. Put in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Get ready to burp, Jacob. Oh, more?
Really?
Yeah. Let's go, both of you.
Oh, I'm not burping.
You're not in my contest.
Seriously, that'd be cool if you burped though. Oh, okay.
Really?
You need to teach him how to burp, Myra.
It'd be funny if he like jumped around and burped and all of a sudden he farts instead.
I'll do it once.
Okay, do it.
When we did my bedroom, I'll jump out of bed. I kept on farting, burping.
Really?
Take that as one answer.
Oh, I have to burp.
Jacob. Jake. Good try. Try again. Okay. Here we go. It's pointed at me. That was a good one for me.
Wow.
I think that was like a big one for me. Yeah. Another one. She did it. So this is so fun.
You want to hold the bird?
Hold the bird. Yep, I'm gonna go hold the bird.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Go in the room.
Okay, let's go in the room. Let's go in the room. Okay. Birdie, let's go hold the birdie.
Can I bring my water?
No.
Why?
And maybe doesn't want to bring no. Come on.
Close the door. Because he can fly.
There's the birdie. Pick the birdie.
Close the door.
Close it. Okay. Okay, can he come? Whoa. Yep, he likes to fly. He really likes to fly. Why he doesn't like me? Because I'm new?
No. Say up, up.
Up. Come on.
Hold your finger up higher.
Okay.
There you go. See?
Look, I got a birdie on my hand.
He's like looking at me like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I got a birdie. Hi, birdie. Pretty bird.
Wait a minute.